Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale with Green Dot Bank easy tutorial step by step clearly. To scale with Green Dot Bank, start by creating an account. Visit the Green Dot Bank website and click on sign up. Fill in your personal information accurately. Choose the type of account that best suits your needs. Review the account features and benefits. Complete the application process by submitting your information. Once your account is set up, log in to your online banking dashboard. Explore the various tools available for budgeting and saving. Utilize Green Dot's mobile app for on-the-go banking. Check your account limits and fees to optimize your financial strategy. Link external bank accounts for easier transfers and deposits. Set up direct deposit to streamline your income. Take advantage of Green Dot's cashback rewards and offers. Monitor your spending through tracking features in the app. Adjust your account settings to maximize security. Consider additional features such as prepaid debit cards. Use the referral program to earn bonuses by inviting friends. Stay informed about new promotions and tools from Green Dot. Review your financial goals regularly to stay on track. Adjust your banking strategies based on your growing needs. Make full use of customer support for any questions or issues. By following these steps, you can effectively scale your banking experience with Green Dot Bank. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any request. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.